Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out a budget-friendly beast that punches well above its weight, the iBUYPOWER Scale Orange Gaming PC. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to grab this rig at the best discounted price available today. Don't miss out on this killer combo of style and performance. Desktop computer emoji, iBUYPOWER Scale Orange, Ryzen 5, RTX 3050, honest review. Wrench emoji, specs overview. Processor, AMD Ryzen 5 5500, 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 4.2 GHz. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB GDDR6. Memory, 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz, 8x2, non-RGB. Storage, 500GB NVMe SSD. Cooling, air-cooled with optimized airflow. Design, unique scale orange themed chassis with side panel window. OS, Windows 11 Home. High voltage sign emoji, performance breakdown. Powered by the Ryzen 5 5500 and the RTX 3050, this desktop delivers reliable 1080p gaming performance on popular titles like Fortnite, Valorant, Call of Duty, Warzone, and GTA 5. You'll easily hit 60 to 100 FPS on medium to high settings depending on the game, making this a great system for casual and competitive gamers alike. The 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking and game loading, while the 500GB NVMe SSD speeds up boot times and level loads, though you might want to add extra storage if you have a big game library. Artist palette emoji, design and aesthetics. The Scale Orange case is a unique, attention-grabbing design with a tempered glass side panel, internal cable management, and good airflow. It doesn't have RGB overload, which is perfect if you prefer a cleaner, focused build. The orange accents give it a sharp and energetic look without being too loud. White check mark emoji, pros. Great 1080p gaming performance. Ryzen 5 plus RTX 3050 equals perfect entry-level combo. Stylish orange chassis with tempered glass. Fastened SSD and solid RAM setup. Easy to upgrade later. Warning emoji, cons. 500GB storage fills up fast, consider adding 1TB HDD or external. No RGB if that matters to you. Not ideal for high-end 1440p or 4K gaming. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. The iBUYPOWER Scale Orange Gaming PC is a smart buy for budget-conscious gamers who want solid performance, fast load times, and a head-turning case design. It handles esports titles, casual AAA games, and even light streaming with ease. For under the price of most flagship smartphones, this PC gives you everything you need to get started. Bullseye emoji, perfect for entry-level gamers, students, casual streamers, and first-time PC buyers looking for plug-and-play performance.